Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, it's no problem at all. Now, Mr. Puppypaws, listen here. You gotta stop bothering the animals in the wild jungle. Yes. Yes, and then those birds would be disappointed at you too if you bother them. Huh? Oh, Peanut? Oh dear, kind of like how you didn't respect Willa's jungle home? Well, it's possible to have fun, but when you're in someone else's home, you gotta treat it kindly and be nice to each other. Apology accepted. Oh dear, not so loud. Wait a minute, Mr. Whitepaws. Today, some friends didn't treat the stuff in Willa's treehouse kindly either. But if you want to take better care of your things, you can tell them. Yes, indeed. Yes. Good luck. Oh, careful! Right after you clear these tennis balls and put them away.